Hello there, Mrs. Berg.
Hi, so good to see you.
You too. Well, welcome to homework number 30, Weather Investigation Journal.
Weather.
So to begin, we're going to start with part one. And each day you're going to record the weather forecast for the next week. So today you're going to record the forecast for the next 6 days. And you're going to record things like the high temperature, the cloud cover, precipitation, pressure, humidity, and wind. And we're going to record that at noon for each day. Mrs. Berg, can you show us how to record that?
So you can follow the link that says weather forecast. You're going to go over to Weather Underground and you're going to use that. It'll show up for whatever local location you have it set to. So if you want to set it too close to your home, that's ideal for you. And for me, it shows up as Golden, Colorado. You're going to click on your full forecast. Once you click on full forecast, you're going to see what it actually is right now. So that'll be useful for part two when we're recording our actual temperatures and all of the other fun things. But for today, you're going to go to your 10-day forecast to figure out what is being forecasted for the future. So Miss Putnam, do you want to tell me what my example is?
Yes. So for our high temperature, it's at 55 degrees Fahrenheit.
So you can see on this chart, we're going to have to use the math. Yay, math. You can see a few different things that are all wonderfully color-coded. We're going to drag our mouse over to where it's noon each day. So it should say 12 p.m. And each color matches up with a different thing. So the way that we figured out that that was 55 degrees Fahrenheit is because we were able to see the temperature is red and the 55 degrees Fahrenheit shows up in red. So we know that that's what our temperature is going to be at noon. We're going to use that same procedure with pressure. So if I go down for pressure, I'm going to see that the black line is what I need. And so the black is going to be 29.89 inches. And so I'm going to write that down, and then I'll just keep going down and using the color coding to help me figure out each aspect of the day.
Awesome. So part one would be today, you would record the forecast for the next 6 days. Part two, on each day, you're going to record the actual weather conditions for that day using the same website. Can you show us how to do the actual weather forecast?
Yeah, so you just click on the weather link. You're going to go up here. When you get to your local weather forecast, you're going to click on the full forecast again. And once you get to the full forecast, you will see, it won't load forever. You can see the temperature on the top, but then you're also going to want to scroll down all the way down to the bottom to see the additional conditions. You can see pressure, you can see visibility, and if there's clouds, humidity. So everything that you need is in this first page that says today. Now, oh my gosh, let's say that I happened to forget a day. Imagine that. Let's go to history. And when you go to history, you can go and see all of the information for what you need. You just put the date that you would like. And then once you go through the history and you put your date in, let's say that I wanted to go back. I can go back as far as I need to see previous dates. You're going to see temperature on top, but then you'll also see precipitation. You'll see a summary on the bottom that gives you everything that you need.
Awesome. And then part three is just the summary. So you just answer the questions at the bottom of the doc. I hope you guys have tons of fun, and we can't wait to see your predictions in the actual weather forecast.
Yes. So today is just part one of the forecast. We're just filling out that first column, all of these, and all of these, and all of these, all the way down to Tuesday. And then we'll go in and we'll update it each day with our actual temperatures and cloud cover and precipitation. We miss you.
Miss you. Love you. Bye.
Mwah.